Hello everyone, I'm Kayla from Wuhan CATERBE Construction Equipment Company. Today I'm in MIMA Wuhan Marketing Center to show you some wonderful electric forklifts. Then I will focus on MIMA MC16, stand-on three-way electric forklifts. With a load capacity of 1.6 tons, a lifting height of 10 meters, and the ability to walk in aisles as narrow as 1.3 meters, this forklift delivers outstanding performance. It comes with a three-way fork and a camera system. The fork can rotate 180 degrees and move side to side, so you don't need to turn for handling goods. This makes it perfect to work efficiently in small warehouse. It's very easy to cooperate, making stacking more safer and more efficient even during intense operations to help you get more done in less time. The MC16 runs on a 48V AC maintenance-free system. It responds quickly and uses energy efficiently, ideal for demanding tasks while keeping maintenance simple and cost-low. With high-quality advanced controllers and hydraulic components, it performs reliably day in and day out. Adopting a strong H-shaped mast and a reinforced design, it keeps loads steady even at full heat. The slim mast and open carriage improve visibility, while wheel-angle display adds some extra layers of safety when stacking up high. You can choose between mechanical rail or magnetic guidance modes. Helpful features like height pre-select, adjust surge, and slow down at aisle ends are also included. The operator platform is spacious. The control handle is smooth and responsive, and the clear display keeps everything easy to monitor. So what do you think? If you are interested in this machine or other electric forklifts, feel free to contact me. It's my pleasure to tell you more. See you next time. Bye bye.